Next, coming to common names of ketones. Ketones common names. Here, while giving names, common names to ketones, we have to mention the alkyl groups present in ketones in alphabetical order by giving suffix ketone. Okay? So first we have to mention the alkyl groups in alphabetical order. And suffix is ketone there. If both alkyl groups are same, we have to give di or tri prefix. Okay, we have to mention with prefix. If both the alkyl groups, they are same, we have to give di. Okay. For example, so this is a ketone linked with the same alkyl groups. So both the alkyl groups are same. So common name for this is dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone. Acetone. Dimethyl ketone. Next, if different groups are there, different groups, ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. So here we have to mention the ketone with the alphabetical order of the alkyl groups which are linked to the functional group. Okay. So ethyl methyl ketone. Then if any substituents are present, we have to mention with the alpha and beta. Okay. For example, so this is ketone. Okay. So here, this is the functional group. We have to mention this position as alpha and this one as beta. Okay. And this is alpha dash and this is beta dash. Okay. So here alpha dash, dichloro, diethyl ketone. Okay. Alpha dash, dichloro, diethyl ketone. So this is the common name. Okay. Alpha beta substitutions. Next for aromatic ketones. Simply we can write this as acetophenone. Acetophenone. Okay. If two aryl groups are linked with carbonyl functional group, benzophenone. Okay. So all these are common names. Next, coming to IUPAC names. IUPAC names. First, for aldehydes. Okay. So in case of aldehydes, while writing the IUPAC names, we had to write alkane and replacing E, we had to add al. Okay. So alkane. Okay. So we have to replace E and add al. Okay. Alkanol. IUPAC name. Alkanol. For example, acetaldehyde is there. CH3CHO. So here root word is eth. Okay. Ethanol. This is called ethanol. Ethanol. Okay. If propanaldehyde is there, 3 carbons. propanol. Propanol. Okay? If ring substitution is there, if ring substitution is there, this is cyclohexane linked with aldehyde functional group, and this is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Okay, cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Okay, then if a substituted aromatic ring which is substituted with different substituents. Okay, so here aldehyde functional group is there which is directly linked with aromatic ring, and one more substitution, that is methyl group. Okay, so here this is the first carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth position methyl group is there. Okay, so this is 4-methyl benzaldehyde. 4-methyl benzaldehyde. 4-methyl benzaldehyde. Okay, next one more example for aromatic rings. Okay, if aromatic ring linked with two aldehyde groups. Okay, so this is called benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Okay, generally known as phthalaldehyde. Phthalaldehyde. Okay, so here methyl substitution is there. Instead of methyl substitution, if bromine substitution is there, bromine occupies the fourth position, Br. Okay, so that is 4-bromo-benzaldehyde or 4-bromo-benzene carbaldehyde. Okay, 4-bromo-benzaldehyde or 4-bromo-benzene carbaldehyde. Okay, next, if chlorine substitution, and this is the first carbon, 1, 2. So 2-chloroethanol. Okay, then long chain having 5 carbon atoms. Okay, and at second position and third position both are having substitutions. Okay, starting from functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2, 3 dimethyl pentanol. 2, 3 dimethyl pentanol. Okay, so this is for aldehydes. Next, coming to ketones.